So we're going to drive a bearing race in now. And the bearing race driver set that I bought doesn't seem to be the right size, so we're going to improvise a little bit. And I believe they're supposed to go in like this. This is a bearing race driver. And notice that it's shaped, cone shaped on that flange right there. And that's to match the cone inside of the race. So it's a perfect fit all the way on the inside, but mine are either too big or too small. So the way that you improvise, or the way that I'm going to improvise, I'm not suggesting that you do it this way, but this is the way I'm going to do it. And for me, it should be fine. So here's the race. I'll put it in there. Remember, the tapered side goes out. Put it in there flush at the top. Then I'm going to use the old race and turn it upside down directly over the top of the new race, because it's exactly the same size, to land and sit on that edge, that very top outer edge, without damaging the inside tapered part. And this is supposed to go in that way. I flipped it over upside down so the wider part will fit over the very top of the old race, and it will also slide, this part, the wide part, will slide down inside perfectly and kind of act as a guide on its way down. So center as best you can, close as you can get it, center over the top. Don't be scared, don't be nervous about it, don't be afraid. Just do it, that's what I always say. Don't shake, keep a steady hand. Grab it firmly with your hand. Press down a little bit so it doesn't move. And give it a good whack. See, that went down halfway already. Realign it, make sure you're aligned good. It looks like it's tilted a little bit, so I'm going to put more pressure on the back side this next time. I'm going to kind of tilt pressure with my hand towards me. Hit it again. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's going down real easy too, because you know, you got a lot of pressure. You put your hand on it. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Just hit it down until it stops and seats inside the hub on that lip, and you're done.